Hello mga future animators! Join us for an exciting journey into the world of 2D animation. Ako si Denek Sensei, at excited ako maging guide ninyo sa artistic na adventure na to. Sa buong series na to, papasukin natin ang mundo ng 2D animation. From character design to storyboarding, frame by frame animation to the magic of movement, itatalakay natin lahat. Kaya't kung ikaw ay isang aspiring animator, curious artist, o kaya naman ay gustong malaman ang sekreto sa mga paborito mong anime or cartoons, aba, tamang-tama to. Pero bago tayo mag-start, palike naman and subscribe to my channel para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong episodes na darating. Kaya simulan na natin, at ang topic natin for today is, Introduction to Drawing Fundamentals. Ano ba ang drawing? It's a fundamental artistic skill na ginagamit para ma-express ang ating thoughts and ideas gamit ang iba't ibang tools like pencils, charcoal, ink, o digital media. Pwedeng gamitin ang drawing sa mga fields like fine art, illustration, design, architecture, and more. Drawing allows artists to convey their ideas, emotions, and concepts visually. It's often the starting point for more complex works and is an essential skill for artists of all levels. For example, ang mga sketches ni Picasso ay perfect examples kung paano gamitin ang drawing para ma-explore ang ideas at develop artistic concepts before creating a final artwork. The basics of lines, types, and significance. Sa second part, pag-uusapan natin ang basics ng lines sa art at ang importance nila. Una, straight lines. This create a sense of stability, precision, and order. For example, sa blueprint, straight lines convey structure and accuracy. Then we have curved lines. This suggests fluidity, softness, and dynamism. In calligraphy, curved lines can create graceful and flowing characters. Dashed lines are used for texture or to indicate movement or distance. In a road map, dashed lines represent highways, suggesting travel or distance. For example sa Vitruvian Man ni Leonardo da Vinci, he used precise straight lines and delicate curved lines to illustrate the proportions and harmony of the human body. The basic shapes and symbolism. Sa third part, tatalakayin natin ang basic shapes and ang symbolism nila sa art. Ang circle, it's often associated with softness, harmony, and eternity. In the Olympic Rings logo, ang interconnected circles represent unity among nations. Ang square naman symbolizes stability, balance, and structure. Many buildings and architectural designs incorporate squares to convey reliability. Ang triangle, on the other hand, represents tension, dynamics, and conflict. In a warning sign, a triangle with an exclamation mark signifies danger or caution. Mga learners, yan ang basics ng drawing, mga types of lines, at ang symbolism ng basic shapes. Remember, drawing is a universal language that allows us to express ourselves in countless ways. Whether you're an aspiring artist or just exploring your creativity, keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of bringing your ideas to life on paper or digitally. And that's a wrap for today's episode ng 2D animation series. Kung may mga tanong ka, o kung may specific na topic kang nais na talakayin, don't forget to comment sa ibaba. Maraming salamat sa pag-join sa 2D animation journey. Palike naman and subscribe to my channel para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong episodes na darating. Kita-kits ulit sa susunod na episode. God bless!